Hello again. In this video we will talk about sketching circles. Start a sketch on the front plane, for example. We have two types of circles in SolidWorks. The first one is center of circle, and the second one is perimeter of circle. As you can see, we need two clicks. The first one indicates the center point, and the second one defines the radius of the circle. So, click anywhere on the screen, move the mouse, and the second click will place the radius. Then finish the command. For the second type, as you can see, we need 3 clicks on the perimeter of this circle. So, the first click, the second one, and lastly, the third one. This type, in some cases, may be more useful than this type. Try to sketch a corner rectangle. If you want to sketch a circle that be tangent to this line and tangent to this line, so selecting this type, by clicking here, you will have the first tangent, and by clicking here, you will have the second tangent. Later on in this course, we will talk about tangency and all the types of relations in SolidWorks. Hit Ctrl A, then delete. In the next video, we will talk about slots.